what's up? Today I'm out at Iron Mountain. It's going to be a solo trip. I'm going to do the white zone on their trail here. If you see on the map, I am here. Got to go through here to in and then follow it all the way around. And then back to where I started. Like I said, solo today. It's sprinkling a little bit, but nothing that's not manageable at least. So come along with me and we'll see how this trail goes. Alright, so far it's been a little confusing to get started. You see on my All Trails map, it doesn't really give you a route to the trail, so you have to kind of figure it out on your own. I haven't seen any blazes yet, and it's taking me all the way back up to the road right here, so I don't know. We'll see. I could have just missed them before, but the trail seems to be marked orange, red, whatever. So far it's showing I'm kinda on track. At least I'm headed in the direction of the white trail, so. Alright, I'm a little hungry. I didn't have breakfast this morning. But I did drink a Gatorade on the way here on the drive. And I've got a bottle of water on me. I've got my Catadon Be Free filter on me, in case I need to refill that Smart Water bottle. But just pulled out some Planters peanuts. Gonna snack on these as I walk. I got a couple other snacks and I'll have lunch. There's a primitive campsite somewhere along here. That's what the All Trails app said. So if we find that spot, there's nobody there, then I may stop there and have lunch. Okay, now we switch to blue blazes. And I guess that's to indicate Blue Bayou. Okay, here's another map. This should help us. We are here. So we are at the junction of the, what they call the white zone. So I guess I can go either way at this point. I can go that way or this way. Let's go ahead and just go this way. So I guess my All Trails map is a little off. You would think we would be right in this area. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of hard to do. I'm holding the camera and a phone. But I have had a couple guys on mountain bikes like fly past me. So you got to be mindful of those guys when you're out here. But good thing is you can hear them coming. I hear people and see water through the trees, so looks like we're getting close to water. I did bring a swimsuit in case I wanted to dip off in the bush somewhere and change into them and swim for a little while. Maybe put my hammock up and chill for a little bit. I'm not in any hurry today. Just take my time, enjoy what nature has to offer, which is always great. Alright, we just finished our first mile. 28 minutes in. I've been kind of taking my time though. We've had an elevation gain of 486.
Thank you.
See, told you, they come by you pretty quick. Scared the shit out of me, actually. But trail's not that wide, so there's not a whole lot of places to move. But once you find your way to the White Zone Trail, it's pretty easy to follow. The trail's been, you know, you can clearly see that there's a trail here. I haven't really seen many blazes though, that's the only thing. Okay, 2 miles in. Elevation gain of 461. I've been at it for 57 minutes 32 seconds. So that means halfway there, get it an hour. So the other half should go by in about an hour. 2 hours total, like I'd stated in the beginning. So far it's been pretty easy. Not much climbing or anything like that. It's been fairly flat. I mean, of course you're gonna have a little bit of ups and downs, but not much more than what you can probably see up ahead in the camera. I should probably mention that it's Labor Day weekend. So if you hear a lot of boats or people in the background, that's why. The lake's gonna be full of people, I'm sure. But we're getting close to water. Looks like there's a couple houseboats over there, probably around the area where this trail leads to swim. But I might swim down there anyway. Who knows? We'll see. Got some signs here. We are there. Oh. Let's try not to make him mad. When I was a kid, I was allergic to those. I don't know if I still am or not, but pretty sure I don't want to test that theory. We're gonna carry on this way. According to the map, that's the direction we're supposed to go. Getting closer to those houseboats that are on the shore over here. They've been pretty loud. I could hear them quite a ways away on the trail. I mean, it's kind of nice to know that there are people around in case you get hurt and you yell for help, or should have an emergency whistle on you. If you blow that, you know, somebody will be able to come help you. But in the same sense, it's a little more peaceful when you're kind of out here and there's no noises but nature, maybe some animals in the distance or something. But like I said, it's Labor Day weekend. There's a lot of people out. Excuse the background noise. I just passed those houseboats. Drawing a blank there for a second. This is beautiful. Take a look at this. The trail goes off down this way to the end of the peninsula. Let's go check this out. This might be where I set up for a little while. Oh, here's the campsite. Man, I'm so tempted to stay here. This is awesome. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, there's a lizard. Couldn't catch him. He's too quick. Yes. A little fire pit right here. I could easily set my hammock up here and stay the night. So tempting. Now that I've done this trail, at least half of it, and know that it's not too terribly hard, anybody out there watching my videos wants to hike out here with me and camp at that spot, just let me know. I'm more than welcome to come back and do that. Looks like we're out on the point now. Beautiful. This right here is why I love coming out and hiking. I mean, you look stuff up and you kind of get an idea for what you're going to be doing, but you don't really know until you actually get out here and do it. And this is beautiful. I know I've said that about 20 times so far, but it really is. I know this video just doesn't do it justice either. So people, get out here and do this stuff, man. Start hiking. I prefer to be around water, so I'm always going to try to pick places that have waterfalls, creeks, good flowing water, and lakes for sure. I love being at the lake. But beautiful, man, beautiful. If y'all aren't out here doing this stuff, you're missing out on life. Just want to tell you that. All right, let's take a lunch break. Smart water bottle. It's a 1 liter. Got a bag of food. Keep it in a Ziploc bag and keep it easy. I don't have anything I need to cook in here, but last video I had these Smart Bowls tuna packets. They were really good, so I decided to get those again. And on the way I stopped at the gas station and grabbed some Cheez-Its and that Smart Water. I got some liquid IV. I'll probably put that in my bottle, give it a little bit of flavor. And honey stinger waffle for dessert. The other stuff I have in here is some instant coffee from Black Rifle. I've got a Cliff Mocha Energy Shot. Peanut butter banana Cliff bar for a snack or dessert, and an extra Ziploc bag. Remember, always pack out everything you pack in. go by the leave no trace rule. The only thing you should be leaving behind is footprints and a little sweat. So this is for my extra trash. And those peanuts I ate earlier, I ended up putting the wrapper in my back pocket. So go ahead and throw these in here. And there's another piece of that wrapper. Just a little corner I tore off of it. Leave nothing behind. Alright, I'm going to take a break from lunch. This spot's just way too nice not to set my hammock up and relax a little bit. I've got E&O camo double nest hammock and the E&O, what is it, Helios suspension straps. And I'm going to show you how these work. They're super easy. These are a lot more lightweight than their standard straps, and apparently stronger too, according to them. So it's basically got this silver cord on the end, as you can see here, and then it has the strap that goes around the tree. Just put your strap around the tree. Feed the end through the loop on the strap. Pull it tight. Get your other strap. Repeat the same process. Forgot my carabiners for the hammock. 1 second. Okay, so I use Black Diamond climbing carabiners for my hammock. I took the carabiners off that come with it. It saves a little bit of weight, and plus these can be used to strap stuff on the outside of your pack when you're not using them for your hammock. So pull it out from its pouch, clip the carabiner through the loop on the hammock, do the same with this side. Now you're going to use your clip, your carabiner. On the silver cord, there's actually a little loop on the end. Run your carabiner through there. Do the same on the other side. Now, as you can tell, this is way too loose. With this cord, remember those Chinese finger lock cuffs that you used to get that were super cheap when we were kids? It kind of works the same way. It's got a cord. You pull it to tighten it. And you do the same on this side. These trees are a little close together, but it's really pretty in this spot. You want a little bit of slack in your hammock. You don't want it stretched as tight as it'll go, but it'll probably sink on you when you sit in it, so we're good to go. Alright, I've got my food over here. I'm gonna sit in the hammock and enjoy myself and the view and finish eating my food right here. Man, I really hate to leave this spot, but maybe another time I'll hike down here and camp. But back on the trail I go. Should have about another hour. This trail makes a full loop, so it should take me straight back to the Jeep. Just hit the mile 3 mark. I'm an hour and 34 minutes in. That's not counting the time that I was sitting at the little campsite area, chilling in the hammock. I was there for a while. Did not want to leave, but I gotta get back home. This is interesting. Check out how the bark's been stripped from this tree. It's a line that goes all the way up. I wonder what that's from. Alright, so I just hit mile 4, which doesn't make any sense because the map at the entrance said it was 4 miles, but I've still got a little way to go. Probably another half mile or mile. It's so weird. 2 hours and 1 minute in. The elevation is at 515 right now. So still not too much climbing going on, but this is a pretty easy trail. Look how this tree is growing. Came up, curved over, and went back up. Wonder why in the world he did that. Not much else interesting I'm seeing on the way out of here. This is pretty much what it's looked like the whole way. Alright, I just hit mile 5. So I don't know if you can see. 2 hours and 30 minutes in. 5 miles. Check the All Trails app. The green area is what I have left to do. So they need to update that sign. It's like 1.5 miles more than I was expecting. Too bad, not too bad. We're back to that sign. That takes you out to the road. I might take the, I think it's called the blue trail and then to the orange trail. Take that back, that's the way I came in. Or I could go out to the road and walk, but what's the fun in that? Alright, we're coming up to the parking lot. There's one section of the trail that gets kind of close to the road, and I could see the parking lot, and my Jeep was the only one there in the parking lot, and since I've gotten closer, I think 2 or 3 other cars have pulled in. There's a sign up ahead.